Good morning, our student. Our lesson today, Unit 4, Lesson 2, Congruence. Congruence of two line segments. Two line segments are congruent if they are equal in length. For example, XY is a line segment and ZL is a line segment. If the length of XY equal the length of ZL, then XY congruent to ZL. If XY equal 4 centimeter, so ZL will be 4 centimeter because the two line segments are congruent, so they are equal in length. Congruence of two angles. Two angles are congruent if they are equal in measure. For example, angle C and angle D. If measure angle C equal to the measure angle D, then angle C congruent to the angle D. If measure angle C equals 60 degrees, as an example, then measure angle D will be 60 degrees because they are congruent. The two angles are congruent, so they are equal in measure. Congruence of two polygons. Two polygons are congruent if there is correspondence between their vertices such that each side and each angle in the first polygon is congruent to its corresponding element in the other polygon. As this is the two polygons are congruent because here each side and each angle in the first polygon is congruent to corresponding element in the other polygon. So the two opposite polygons are congruent because each two corresponding sides are equal in length. In the first one, AB equal to the second one, XY. This is the side in the first one, and in the second one, BC equal to YZ, CD equal to ZM, DE equal to ML, EA equal to LX. And each two corresponding angles are equal in measure. Here, measure angle A in the first polygon equal to the measure angle X in the second polygon. Measure angle B equal to the measure angle Y. Measure angle C equal to measure angle Z. Measure angle D equal to measure angle M. Measure angle E equal to the measure angle L. So we can write the polygon A, B, C, D, E congruent the polygon X, Y, Z, M, L. And it's better to write the name of two congruent polygons in the same order of their corresponding vertices. Don't forget this, okay? Now solve more exercises. Complete. Two line segments are congruent if they are equal in length. Two polygons are congruent if there is correspondence between their vertices such that each side and each angle in the first polygon congruent to its corresponding element in the second or the other polygon. Two angles are congruent if they are equal in measure. The axis of symmetry of polygon divided it into two congruent polygons. If AB congruent to CD, then AB equal to CD. If AB congruent to XY, then AB minus XY equal what? Here, if the two line segments are congruent, then they are equal in length. So if AB minus XY, AB is a line segment, XY is a line segment, are equal in length, so the difference between them will be 0. That's right. If angle A congruent to the angle B and measure angle A equal 50 degrees, then angle B equal what? The two angles are congruent, so the two angles are equal in measure. So measure angle A equal 50, so measure angle B equal 50 degrees. If the polygon ABCD congruent is the polygon XYZL, then DA congruent with DA, DA congruent with LX. That's right. Measure angle BCD, BCD equal to the measured angle YZL. If C is the midpoint of AB, then AC with BC is congruent because C is the midpoint of AB. If angle A complements to angle B and angle A congruent to angle B, so then measure angle A equal what? Equal 45. Complement 90 degrees, and angle A and angle B are congruent, so measure angle A equal 45 degrees. If angle A supplements to angle B and angle A congruent to angle B, then measure angle B equal 90 degrees. In the opposite figure, ABCF congruent the figure AEDF. Measure angle AFC equal 90 degrees, AB equal 5 centimeters. Complete number 1. Measure angle BAE. Don't forget the two polygons are congruent, so all sides are equal in length in the first polygon to the second polygon. All angles are equal in measure in the two polygons. Okay, so here measure angle BAE. Since angle EAF congruent to angle BAF, then measure angle EAF equal to the measured angle BAF equal 40 degrees. Then measure angle BAF, all this angle equal 40 plus 40 equal 80 degrees. AE equal centimeter, AE is congruent to AB, so it's equal 5 centimeters. Measure angle EDF equal to the measured angle what? EDF equal to the measured angle BCF. In the opposite figure, complete the figure ABCO congruent to the figure AFDO. Measure angle C equal measure angle C equal to the measure angle D, so measure angle C equals 120 degrees. BC equal how many centimeter? BC is congruent to FD, and FD equal 5 centimeters, so BC equal 5 centimeters. Measure angle F equal measure angle F is congruent to the measure angle B. Now you solve these questions by yourself, and at the end, thanks for your lesson.